To improve handling of any vehicle, you can add a strut tower bar. I'm going to be doing this to my E34 BMW 635 CSI. You can use basic tools to do this. I've decided to use a socket set with a 10 millimeter socket and extension to reinstall the bolts. When you receive your strut tower bar, make sure that the holes line up with your strut towers by placing it onto the bolts on the left and right side to make sure that all the bolts, all 6, line up correctly. If they don't, return the bar and get one that will fit correctly. You'll be removing all 6 bolts and then placing the bar onto the exposed threads. You should be able to do this relatively easy with just a hand ratchet. You shouldn't need an impact wrench or any other type of tool to do this. And it should only take about 20 minutes for this whole process to be done. Once you've removed all 6 bolts, you are then going to place your strut tower bar down onto the studs and make sure that everything is still lining up correctly. You are then going to take your bolts and you're going to place them on top of and hand tighten all 6 to make sure everything is still lining up correctly. Once they're hand tightened, you're going to take your socket set and you're going to tighten down the bolts just 1 or 2 twists at a time to make sure that you don't torque down one side harder than the other. You want to make sure that you evenly do this just as you would when you're changing a tire on your vehicle. This way, everything sits flat and flush and even on your strut tower. Once everything is in place, you will notice a huge improvement when going into any kind of turn off of the highway, or if you're doing any kind of slalom, you'll notice a marked improvement. I know I have. Look forward to talking to you soon.